Another airdrop confirmed to the Cosmos ecosystem. Check this out, dear Rango community. We will take a snapshot of our first means there's more, airdrop round the badge quest, which I'm gonna show you what to do on the 15th of March on midnight UTC time. Other information about how participant will be announced soon, but wait, there's more. But first, before we get to the more, my name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. Let's effing go. Support this channel, Patreon below, plus tons of other cool links. Go check them out. We're doing the bridge. We're doing the bridge that we've done a couple of days ago, just to show you around. If you're not using this bridge, I don't know how you're sending your money anymore. Stop using MetaMask, the swap. This is freaking amazing bridge. Let me show you what's more before we go into the good part. Check this out. Airdrop alert. Rango exchange about the breakdown of the airdrop. 5%, so it's 5 million Rango. That's the coin that we're gonna get about 2 weeks from now. 20% competition being held, which is 10% trade competition. Honestly, I have no idea what it is. 10% affiliate competition. I'm in it. The link that you're using to use the bridge, I'm not getting a lot. If you swap like $100, I got like I don't know, 50 cents or something. It's not for that. I don't care. I do care about it. It's money. Don't get me wrong. But the bridge is freaking amazing. I'm gonna show you what I've done. It's freaking crazy. And this is the key. 80% remaining. This is what we want. Atom stakers, Luna stakers, and Osmosis stakers. So basically, hold those three. Doesn't say how much. It doesn't say a minimum, no minimum. Use the bridge. You will love it. This is the bridge. And basically, they're saying in this one, in March 15, is gonna be the first airdrop, and it's gonna go to the what was the sentence here? To badge quest. You need to do the badge quest. What is the badge quest? By the way, this is the bridge, and I will link below the tutorial that we've done a couple of days ago. Use it. Even if you do one swap, like I don't know, $10 to $10 USDC to die or something like that, use it. Here's me. I got like 15 points. Doesn't really matter. Click here. Click on view profile. Okay. And this is my badges and lifetime statistics and leaderboard and all that stuff. Look what you got here. You gotta do, I don't know who will get. I don't think only the top, I don't know. This one, I've done like one single swap. Trade, bridge, doesn't matter. This one, you do 2 trades on Cosmos. I need to do that. This one is on Sif Chain, Akash, Polygon, Avalanche, all that stuff, Osmosis, Terra, Luna, Binance Smart Chain. So cool. You can actually send stuff from MetaMask directly to Osmosis, directly to Terra Station. Freaking crazy. If you want to get more points, do a video. I need to get paid for the videos that I've done, a director or something. Larry Bird. Let's see where the big points. Look at this. I got 3 points in here. Do a 2-step success swap. Okay. Let's see what's the big ones. Yakushi, lucky winner. Angry. Swap at least 6 Cosmos Atom to Sif Chain. 500 Akash to Terra. You can actually do all of this. Swap at least 250 Osmosis to Cosmos. What? Osmosis Osmo to Cosmos Atom. So you're sending back and forth, and you're getting more points. What's the biggest one? Let's check just before I'll show you what else they have in plan. Collect at least 4, collect at least 10. Okay, so you need to do all this. Okay, and range special. Look at this. If history repeats itself, I'm getting a dinosaur. Buy at least 3,000 Sif Dino. Look at this. $100,000 total transaction. Wow. $100,000 sent to Cosmos. $20,000 trade. Cerberus. $100,000 on Harmony. $100,000 on Avalanche, etc., etc. What else we got? I got some iguana in here. Trade at least 24 hours to succeed. The trade. Okay, I don't have patience to wait 24 hours for a bridge. Iguana. Do a big swap between $100 and $99. So I've done that. And I got myself 5 points. Cool. Didn't even know that. Komodo is 10 points if you trade between $1,000 and 25,000. Alligator 25 to 100k, and crocodile 100k to a million. Whale arena. There's also whale. How do I get the shrimp? I don't eat shrimp, but just in case, let's make sure you're a real crab. 100,000 total transaction. Octopus 200,000, 500,000, 1 million. This is a lot of money to trade, but this is a great bridge. This is a very valuable bridge. Okay, just if you see, let's go to the history. I want to show you this one. Where's the one that I've done? This is crazy. This is the one that we've done in the tutorial a couple of days ago. I have sent, check how much steps we went from I've sent half an avalanche, and by the way, it's not even my avalanche that I bought. This was an airdrop from a testnet that we got. If you're not following me already, I don't know what you're doing. Another financial advice. Half an AVEX that was free from an airdrop. It was sent to Parswap all automatically. You just click a button and you get your money somewhere else in a different dimension. You send Avalanche from Parswap to Rep Bitcoin Avalanche to AnySwap to Bitcoin on Binance Smart Chain to 1inch to Terra USD on Binance Smart Chain to Terra Bridge to Terra UST on Terra Station on Terra Swap to Terra Luna. Freaking insane. And that Terra Luna I can take and send it to Cosmos, Osmosis, and actually I need to stake that Luna so I can get that. I probably will. It doesn't say when. Let me just go real quick, make sure that I'm also recording, but check this. I'm gonna leave this article below, but look at this. This is a huge bridge. I love Hope Exchange. I love this even more. Check this out. 1.2, what is this, billion? 1.2 billion total transaction. What's next? They're gonna add the bridge to Astroport. I think this is Terra. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this was something. Here we go. Shift from Terra Swap to Astroport. A lot of people are in Terra Luna. I'm not there. I just dipped my toes a little bit. I like what I see. There's a reason why it's so big. Open Ocean, what is this? If someone in the comment can say. Currently support many blockchain, Arbitrum, Phantom, Solana, Terra. I don't know what it is. Again, comment below. Chain Swap, what it is. Arbitrum, okay, so they're adding more Arbitrum, that's good. Optimism, they're adding. Moonriver, they're adding. Check this out. Synapsa, that's a new blockchain completely. They're adding this one. Hope Exchange, they're adding a bridge on top of a bridge. Chihuahua, for all the Cosmos lovers out there, including myself. Chihuahua Bridge, that's cool. Juno, I'm waiting for Juno Bridge. That's good because now they have Osmosis and Atom, so now they're gonna add Chihuahua and Juno, and of course Solana at the end. And if you can send money from Solana back from your Solana to Chihuahua or something like that, it's gonna be crazy. Check the bridge, use the link. I'll get a couple of pennies, but use the bridge. It's freaking awesome. Get some badges so you can be eligible for the airdrop. Stake some other stuff that we need. Atom, Luna, and Osmosis. Subscribe, Patreon below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.